Alright, this is Exploring New York with James, and I am in Shortsville, New York. And what you see behind me is related to the location we are going. I've been wanting to come here for quite a while, and we are going to go check out what they call a railroad roundhouse. And it is a historical landmark, and I wanted to come here before they try to do anything to it, like tear it down or remodel it. So let's check this place out. Okay, well, I'm a little nervous about this. I don't know what to find here or expect, but let's see if we can't snap a few pictures of what this place looks like. Alright, it's an old roundhouse. Really interesting. Let's go see what's in here. In the late 19th century, the Lehigh Valley Railroad built the Manchester Yard, which was one of the largest rail support facilities in the country. The yard had a dispatcher control tower, provided fuel service, primarily coal and ash disposal, and the Roundhouse. The Roundhouse Maintenance Center was for freight cars and locomotive, as well as track and signal repair. The 30-bay Roundhouse is approximately 62,000 square feet and today is located along with two fuel oil buildings on a 5.5 acre site. Alright, well, we're going to walk over here for a second. Now, this right here is a portion of the round table. The round table is actually out here, buried amongst all of this grass and dirt. But this right here was probably the last position that it was moved on when they were finished using the Roundhouse. It was in use until the 1970s when Conrail closed operations. There were a number of temporary uses over the next 20 years. The legacy of environmental contamination from diesel fueling operation and other contaminants and poor condition of the buildings led to abandonment by the owners. The two parcels have been off the tax rolls since the early 1990s. The environmental liability of cleaning up the brownfield has been a significant obstacle for redevelopment. The New York State Office of Historic Preservation has determined that it is eligible for listing on the National Register of Historic Places, with funding from New York State, Empire State Development, and the Rochester Area Foundation. And now they are working on the next phase, which could be made into a museum. What a wonderful place to visit, to explore. Now Now, there are at least 30 bays that are here. And I can imagine at one time this place was full of engines, cars for maintenance. I hope you enjoyed this short video of the Manchester Roundhouse. Thanks for watching.